Your name? Susie. How old are you? Oh, okay, I'm 9. You're 9 years old. All right. Are you ready for our speaking test today? Okay, say yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, tell me about the picture. Okay, and you can see a mom. All right. What else? Okay, taking photo. Okay, 2 birds. Okay, where are the birds? Okay, where are they? Okay, what is this?
Tree.
Okay, 2 birds on the tree. All right, what else?
I can see 2 trees.
Okay, you can see 2 trees. Okay, tell me more about the picture. Okay, you can see a chair and a table. Okay, good. What else? Okay, you can see 4 boys. Okay, in the playground. This is a playground. Okay. In the ramp. Okay. Okay, I can see a sun. Yes. Okay, that's all. Okay, all right. That's all good. Okay, this one. I want you to tell me. Okay, this. I want you to tell me, where is the mouse?
The mouse is in the box.
Okay, the mouse is in the box. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is next to the box.
Okay, the mouse is next to the box. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is on the box.
Okay, it's on the box. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is under the box.
Okay, it's under the box. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is
Between.
between the box.
Okay, between the boxes. Boxes. Okay. Where is the mouse? Okay, behind. All right. Okay, thank you, Susie, and have a nice day. Thank you.